Hello kids, welcome back to another session. In today's session, we will do the homework solution for minus 4's formula. Okay. So A row was our homework, B row we already did in the class. So before starting, where I will apply my minus 4's formula, where I will not have beads for minus 4, where I will not be able to do minus 4 on abacus. Okay. Let's start. Plus 1 plus 4. Here it's plus 4. So formula for plus 4, plus 5 minus 1. Why did you apply the formula, ma'am? Because I didn't have enough beads to do plus 4. Now minus 4. I am not having beads to do minus 4 also. Do I have any beads? I only have 5. Okay. Now for minus 4, what I will do? Apply the formula. That is minus 5 plus 1. Right? So my answer is 1. Next. 2 plus 4. Do I have beads to do plus 4? No. So my formula for plus 4 is plus 5 minus 1. My answer is 6, then minus 4. No beads for minus 4. So formula of minus 4, minus 5 plus 1. My final answer is 2. Next, 4 plus 3. No beads for 3, right? Can't add 3. So formula of 3 plus 5 minus 2. Now minus 4. No beads for minus 4. So formula of minus 4 minus 5 plus 1. My answer is 3. Next. 4. Again 4. Do I have beads for 4? No. So my formula for 4 is plus 5 minus 1. Then minus 4. Do I have beads for minus 4? No. So my formula for minus 4 is minus 5 plus 1. My answer is 4. Next. Last question. 5 minus 4. Do I have beads for minus 4? No. So formula of minus 4 minus 5 plus 1. Then plus 4. No beads for plus 4 also. So formula for 4 plus 5 minus 1. Minus 5 plus 1 plus 5 minus 1. Okay. Same formulas. But for minus 4 and plus 4. The signs are different, right? So I hope it's clear, guys. I'll see you in the next class now. Bye bye.